How to order in Jumia and pay on delivery. First things first is head to Jumia.com's official website and make sure that you created an account already. Now, Jumia has only limited access to a certain or to a specific countries or region, like Philippines. Jumia is actually not available in the Philippines. So all you have to do is to maybe change the VPN, and if you do have other phone numbers from a different country which is going to be available for Jumia, then you can definitely use that. The next thing that you'll do once you're here is logged into your account, and once you have fully logged in, just simply choose on any specific product you want, and they also have these filters out right here for you to narrow down your search. So say for example, we'll add this fan right here. So just simply choose or tap on that specific product and choose add to cart. Now once you have added the item to your cart, now go directly to your cart. This is going to be your checkout page. So all you have to do is to choose the specific product you would like to buy. So once you have selected the product that you would like to buy officially, you'll have to take a look at this field right here, right side of the product you choose. Now choose your location, and these are going to be your specific delivery methods. So you can definitely pick it up on the station, door delivery, and return policy. Now since you would like to have a cash on delivery or pay on delivery, then all you need to do is choose on door delivery. You would also be checking You can also check the specific details on the delivery, on what specific time would start, and how much they attempted to deliver your parcel. And here, you should be able to change the payment method as a COD or cash on delivery. So that's it. That's how you order in Jumia and pay it on delivery.